Hello everyone, this is Anthony O'Leary with West Palm Credit Repair, your path to a better credit score. At West Palm Credit Repair, we're dedicated to helping our clients achieve their financial dreams by raising their credit scores, whether you're aiming for a new home, a new car, or just a fresh financial start. We've got you covered, and here's how we do it. Personalized credit analysis. We start by analyzing your credit report to identify any errors or inaccuracies. Strategic dispute process. We work directly with credit bureaus and creditors to dispute negative items like late payments, collections, or charge-offs. Building positive credit. We provide expert advice on managing existing accounts and adding positive credit, boosting your credit steadily. Ongoing support. Credit repair is a journey, and we're here with you every step of the way, providing updates and advice tailored to your situation. Are you ready to raise your credit score? Contact us today. Take control of your financial future. Give us a call, 561-396-7151, or visit our website, westpalmcreditrepair.com. Look forward to speaking with you. Have a great day.